slightly fragile this morning. I appear to have woken up with Ronaldo on the back of my leg. Just cut off all my leg, bro. Oh, what, bro?
He's got to dry it, bro. He's got to dry it.
How do you take it to a hairdryer, bro? What's the saying? It looks good.
Yeah, the head's a bit fucked up, but the body looks good. Yeah.
It's been a slow start to the morning. But yeah, me and John have booked onto a cooking class, so we're going to do that now. There's like a boat cooking class. You're going to go find the ingredients and that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
When he shows up in more than 40 minutes.
You can call me Tran. First, we have to go to the market for the shopping to pick ingredients.
When's the last time we actually cooked, or you actually cooked?
In Australia, probably.
Yeah, I literally not cooked a meal for like 3 weeks. What the
Eyeballs, bro.
eyeballs? What the hell? Is that a willy? That is an actual penis. Can we put that in the video?
How's that?
No, this is hanging. Yeah, they're
Absolute fucking like heel man. Come on.
they're crazy. Bro's got his shopping. What you got in there, bro? Just 2 pineapples.
Got the water.
Our boat here is so small and you're so big. Yeah. So when you get in, you just slowly, if you jump like this, the boat will turn over. That's a big problem. And then you adjust a little.
It's another day at the office, really.
Hela! You gotta come on, you put your fucking back into it. Come on, you're a strong boy.
Pretty cool job, to be fair. Just sort of like
Just fucking chilling, bro.
Gangnam Style blasting from over there. Halfway through, he's randomly decided to whip out the life jacket. So he's giving you a fishing rod, has he, John?
Oh, coconut. Oh, nice. Coconut. So I'm going for the catch of the day today.
With a piece of coconut.
No.
Oh.
I think it's pork. Come on, little fishy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Just about.
So this is the one we make the fresh flavor. And minutes later.
Anytime today.
So later, oh, it's fine. That's a good one.
Nice.
Very nice. How about this?
Thank you.
No, it's here. No.
That's how it's done. Yeah. Where's washed? Where's the other half? I just had to whip out the special plate for you, John.
Great British cook-off. Leave it shoot. You've done me on the pre-match warm.
Yeah, I don't even know what any of this stuff does. Why don't you put on your hat and apron then, boy?
Ooh.
And the first one over there. Yeah, we hold the handle. And another one hold the chopstick. We stir.
Get stirring, boy.
Stir, but not good.
So what are we making here? We're making the broth.
Make the broth for the soup for the pho.
Bro, it's a good thing I'm doing this because you can't use chopsticks. Yeah, nice. Keep it in there, bro.
Little simmer, yeah?
Good boy. Harder.
Yes. And then you put everything inside.
It's actually just like, you can't blink, it's just disrespectful. Yeah, I mean, people go think they're just fucking making sex noise at a cooking class, like, so pack it in. Fucking twat.
For you.
Get it in place.
Pardon?
Yeah.
Oh, add it, yeah.
Get it in.
Rolling to the end. Try to roll for a beautiful one.
So that's how it's meant to look, yeah?
Yeah, so how is the beer? Finish.
He's not even listening to anything.
No, I have.
You don't even know how to roll it.
It's good, isn't it?
You happy? Look good? Yeah.
Are you sure?
Come on.
It's alright.
Too much mint on mine.
Mint.
Yeah, mint, sorry.
Tastes like I've just had a chewing gum.
Yeah.
Second flip, who wants to try? Who wants to flip it?
He'll do it.
Like this and chop. Yes,
Hey.
it works. Thank you. Just like this, just like that. So, see it.
That's what we're working with.
You have
you've got to
to
drain the
remove
oil
because
out,
it
yeah?
burn now. Oil out first. and
Drain
then
the oil out?
Cook already.
Put a spoon on it.
Spoon in the middle.
Bloke does not
You hold it.
listen.
You hold it.
Does not listen.
Be careful. Quickly.
Idiot, isn't he? Rubbish.
Oh. Yes. Each round inside.
How is it, boy?
This is good.
Good.
I've done well.
When you guys stop turning the fire off, be careful in your
Oh, she
face,
just-
eyebrow, that big problem of it. Take the bit out, you see my oil already gone. Okay?
Nah.
And don't stop. Keep stir all the time. Yeah.
So none of the beef's in the pan.
I know.
I have. Take away.
Bro,
Thank
it's
you.
so
More
what?
flavor.
More flavour, yeah.
And there we go. What do you reckon? Looks nice?
Look nice. Your
Yeah.
face?
Yeah. Very happy. Nice.
See how fast that cooked?
Yeah, mad. Fourth and final dish, eh?
Yeah.
Been emotional?
It's been an emotional ride, man.
Watch how quick I'm going to put this beef, ready? Look at that. Gosh, what's that? 10 seconds maybe?
That is raw as fuck.
Yeah, that ain't good. Let's go back in. Just like that, we've made pho. Right. That is good. What do you reckon, John boy?
Yeah, naughty that is.
3 chopsticks.
3 choppy like. It's the big ones though for cooking.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the tea for dessert.
Oh, I will. Right, cooking tour done. What do you make of that?
Yeah, good fun. That good day out. We actually had a full day of it.
Yeah.
Done a little like coconut boat tour for like felt like about an hour or so, and then we jumped into some cooking.
Back to the hostel now. Get some fucking sleep. Run on about 3 hours sleep.
Wow.
Yeah, attack
Oh,
the day
shit.
tomorrow. Oh. No.